YouTube, Night 16 here, and today we're out here with my AR15 again. I love this thing. So down there, you see that cute little guy? We're gonna try to get 10 rounds into him, and if he ain't destroyed, then we'll let Preacher Man take his 10 rounds. All right, here we go. That's awesome. Let's see how we did. Wow. Do you see that? Okay, I think I shot a couple shots over 10. It just sort of lost it. But
it smells good.
I'm telling you. I'm glad I'm not a watermelon today. We were going to eat this for the 4th of July, but...
Let's taste it.
I don't know. I'm not gonna. If I can find an edible piece. Tastes like freedom. Okay, well, I'll see you in the next video. This has been Night 16. Night out. Oh my God.